it's like you ever get that feeling then in your belly bottom, like you know, say, something go happen, right? And
They gon' love me for my ambition.
hey, it's your girl Kimmy the host, and thank you for tuning into my very first YouTube video. Let's kick it off. So, if you're like me, as a country girl coming to town, once you get here, you'll quickly know that if you're not from Kingston, then you're from country. Hence the term country girl. So, coming to UAE in 2014, don't know a thing about town, and there are a lot of things I had to learn. Now, I've had some memorable experiences, and I want to share one with you today. So, you always hear about coronation and you hear about how down the cheap, and you don't really come from a side of family where have one bag of money. So anytime you get little money, you have to make it stretch as best as possible. So don't at home me did want go buy up the goods them, grocery and everything. So I had an uncle in Portmore who decided to show me the ropes. Now, bear in mind, I know nothing about going to market and shopping. I've probably been to the market twice in St. Ann, and I'm a granny my follow, and me don't know a thing, right? First of all, throughout my entire experiences of going downtown to Coronation Market, to this day me can't get it right. To this day, me feel like when the vendor them see me, them get excited. I be a yam head them sell me. Yam head strictly them sell me. Every time I come home with yam, my partner laugh after me. Yam head. But I really I don't know how to differentiate the yam. I don't know nothing about yam. I don't plant yam, I don't reap yam. I don't know nothing, so just yam head. And whenever I touch ground provisions, so whether the sweet potato, Irish potato, and that little dirt there come off on my hand, I have to back up my wipe same time, and a long time I carry hand sanitizer, so I have to take out that, clean up my hand and so I feel like from them see that them just say, yeah, we are gonna charge that girl that extra. So I just not have no luck with going to coronation and now. So back to the story now. So my uncle, I meet up with him a few times, and he might try to show me the ropes, right? But I not tell a lie. Me never dare take much notes when he might do it, because he was the one who he spoke with the vendors, if them say a $70 fit, him say, $60, I have them look away there. But my uncle for do it, me just did there. Him never met me, not even the bags, him never met me help him carry. Them time they know me realize say down there hot, sun are with me. I just want to go back on campus, go lay down in my dorm room. I used to this, I feel like I did a struggle down there, like it was so hot. So my uncle showed me a couple times, and one of the times when I meet up with my uncle, him actually carry me up on Duke Street for go use the NCB ATM. Well, him go draw some money from the ATM. So my time now for turn a big girl, take care of myself, right? Them time there, I take a break from school, get my first official job. No, let me tell you, I thought it was a good idea to go to Duke Street at 6 a.m. one Saturday morning to withdraw money from that very NCB ATM. My uncle do it, thinking it safe, never really pay attention to the time. Right, so first official job. This time I in a training, and I was doing overnight training. So we get paid the Friday, but me just come off our Saturday morning. So I say, big money popping, Kim rich, Kim all go downtown, go get our grocery them, right? So jump on a taxi, go down a town. Me with myself, I was dressed more like a tomboy that day. So blue jeans, white formal, long sleeve shirt like this, a backpack, and a boots were kind of favor, Clark, something like that. Just one of them shoes, just it comfortable, right? So oops, me up on the street, me a bounce, me go use the ATM. No, when me withdraw every single money with them pay me. Richer than me, you could find. But you start split it up. So this are for grocery, this are for rent, this are for transportation fare for go back to work, and that's how I start put it in my bag. So I put like my grocery in the zipper. I put the first zipper in my bag. I put my fare for go back to work like in my glasses case. Or something today, I split up my little money. No. When I came out of that ATM, right, I look up the road. I see one brother stand up at the Access Financial building on the opposite side of the road. So as me I walk now, it's like you ever get that feeling then in your belly bottom, like you know say something go happen, right? And I try say no, just walk, go on. But the feeling they just is like my belly bottom, my feet and belly bottom. I say something happen. I say I have to turn back. But I say, you don't know long term, so if you turn back, you're gonna get lost, you're gonna put yourself in a more danger, what you're gonna do. So I convince myself and I say, you know, I forward you have to go, you know. And while me I walk, the feeling just did it, and one voice in my head say, you know, say I could get robbed this morning. So I continue to walk, right? And let me tell you, the man there over this side of the road, me there over this side. You see, by the time me walk past the brother on the opposite side of the road, as me walk past him, I want mind say run. Before me could have even move off at the brother that one knife on my throat, right? So, of course, me's a country bumpkin, never been in a situation like that. I catch my afraid, right? My heart legit just stop beat, right? Belly bottom a tremble like crazy now. So, have the knife on my throat and him said to me, say, give me the wallet and money where you take from the machine. So, I said to him, say, trust me, I tell you, say, I said to him, say, I know me look at this better face. I said to him, say, you know, so I'm not getting the money out of the machine, and I see how long me in there, which is true. I was in there a long time, right? But remember saying me there in there, I've stashed with my money. So, I'm holding the knife on my throat and saying, you know, me say, and me I say, me no have no money right now. Me no have no money right now. My uncle want call for come give me a 5 bills for go home. Me would I even take a change from you, right? Now, me don't know what that go through my mind. I don't know where I get the bravery from, but I remember somebody put a 500 in my pocket and me think about it. Me say, you know, just give me that 500 and maybe me take it and go on. Right? But then me I say, no sir, this can't work. Like, you got a call center there every night, you train, you try get this job so you can have one little money. And me must come down here, come what? Just willingly give this brother the money. So me did it, you know, and still have knife on my throat and him said to me, say, give me your phone. No, first him said to me, say, him grab my bag and said, give me your bag, right? So I said to him now, remember say I in there, so everything there. So my spirit in a shambles. Cannot give him this bag. So I said to him, say, me make sure squeeze the bag. Show me say only my glasses case and my ID in there. And me a woman, so me don't know how my ID would have benefit you. Like I said, me don't know what did I go through my mind, but I know say I work hard and I couldn't let go of that money. So by this time now, man get frustrated with me, hold the knife close on my throat and said to me, say, give me your phone. Let me tell you this, at the quickest me ever take out something for that. Me take out the phone full out of my pocket full speed, cause guess what? That phone was a knockoff BlackBerry. As a matter of fact, me make sure I go dig up the phone for sure. You see it here, one Alcatel. If you can read, one Alcatel, right? It was a knockoff BlackBerry. It can still work, can still turn on, it just not charge. I'm keep it because this phone, and my father did have it, and pass it down to my mother, and then my mother pass it down to me. Like, oh, you know, me I go university, then did want me just, me did have something, right? Most could have do take 1 and 2 look a picture. No WhatsApp, no nothing could hold on it, right? So, no problem, take out the phone, me give him. Now tell me why this man look on the phone and dash it. The man fling the phone forward. I never think twice. Me just run off, grab up the phone, and run straight back out of St. William Park, right? You know that part there, right? In the middle of town. And I run going in the crowd and go stand up near to one stall and me I talk to the vendor there and me I ask him, well, the nearest police station there. Now, me turn fool because me know one police station they downtown. When me I take bus for go home for go Ochi, usually downtown me go, the police station is right beside the bus park. But in the moment, it's like me just couldn't think. So, the guy asked me one to me and me I say, no, so somebody just try rob me on Duke Street. But same time, me I look down the road there where they right there, so me see the guy, but him run gone down the road. So me figure say, alright, nothing more than him probably run gone on for go circle back for go up on Duke Street. Cause I early Saturday morning and me and him one did up on the road there. So only I imagine somebody else could try to do that. So when the guy tell me what the two nearest police station them, I say, you know huh, just come go home, right? They're the JUTC bus stop and the eye water the right there, so it the right test. So I say, me nah ball long and me nah ball, but me want call my mother, me say me want go home. But me stand up there, coulda get no bus, and me I say, you know, say me still go grocery shopping though. Me nah make that brother broke my spirit. Nah make him broke my spirit. Go down in a coronation and me did here look at me and say, you know, my paranoid message, Jesus Christ, one day if him come trade me down here, one day if him dead down here, try pick somebody pocket or try rob somebody and him go see me and I buy things. Me say go see me lick me cross me, take bag, take lettuce, take everything on me I buy and run gone. But do me look at grocery shopping, right? Jump on my bus, go back home. No. That's one of the most frightening and memorable experiences I've had since relocating to Kingston. And if me cannot forget the thieves outfit. Me can't forget what the brother in a black hat pull down over him face, a white round neck t-shirt, a rose pink pants, and a sneakers with neon green and blue. Sometimes I think about it and I laugh and me think about the poem Death Came to See Me in Hot Pink Pants, right? But even when I return to work the following Monday and I tell my co-workers them I say, boy, really country you come from? Because everybody knows when I play them game there, Duke Street, early morning, and them I say, on a weekend, when nobody on on Duke Street, but I wouldn't have known, right? So to this day, trust me dey on my P's and Q's when me go downtown. Me not take no chance and take no stop. Hell, me hardly even go down there these days because I'm just not in the foolishness. But I have to give God thanks because them said to me, say, I must glad say I never one of them aggressive criminal there because then they probably slit your throat, go with everything, stab you up, gone. And I said that is true. Me really and truly I have to give God thanks that me still there. But like I said, that's just me sharing one story with you of being in Kingston. You can go ahead and just support me by liking this video, commenting on it, sharing, and of course subscribing to my YouTube channel. Bye.